Students, in this lecture we see the examples on the vector product in the miscellaneous exercise 5. Okay, we have already seen the examples on the vector product in the exercise 5.4. okay, now we see the examples in the miscellaneous exercise of the vector product. Okay, examples on the cross product. Okay, here the example number 32, it is example on the cross product. Show that the area of triangle ABC, the position vectors of vertices are A bar, B bar and C bar is 1/2 into A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. Okay, here we have seen the examples in this formula. The area of triangle whose vertices are the given, it is A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross A bar. Here we prove this. Okay, we have one more formula for the area of triangle when two sides are the given. Okay, here ABC is a triangle, then any two sides AB and BC. Okay, therefore the area of triangle is 1/2 magnitude of AB cross AC. Okay, we have already seen the problem on this formula. Here we prove this formula. Okay, area of triangle. Okay, here it is in triangle ABC, A bar, B bar and C bar are the position vectors of the vertices of triangle A, vertices A, B and C respectively. Okay, here are the vertices of triangle ABC. It is A, B and C. Position vectors are A, B and C. Here we find the area of the triangle. We know the formula for the area of the triangle. What is the formula of area of triangle? It is 1/2 base into height. Here height of the triangle we draw, it is the height of a triangle. Okay, now we find the area of triangle. Okay, we find the area of triangle. We know the area of triangle when any two sides are the given, then 1/2 AB bar cross AC bar. When A bar and B bar are the sides of the triangle, then 1/2 magnitude of AB bar cross AC bar. It is the area of triangle. Okay, we can see the formula in the previous lecture. Now here we prove the area of triangle. It is 1/2 AB bar cross AC bar. Okay, here we see, we find the area of triangle. Area of triangle, it is base into height, that is 1/2 BC into AD. Okay, here let theta be angle between AB and BC. Okay, that is, this is a theta. Okay, now in triangle and AD, okay, we can write first AD. AD is height of triangle ABC. AD through point A, therefore it is a perpendicular to the BC. Therefore triangle ADB is a right angle. Okay, therefore we can write, see carefully, therefore we can write sin theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse AD upon AB, and therefore AD is equal to AB into sin theta. See carefully, AD is equal to AB into sin theta. AD is the height of a triangle and base it is a BC. Okay, therefore area of triangle ABC, it is 1/2. It is base, okay, into height. Base it is a, okay, we can write base into height. Okay, and therefore it is 1/2 base it is a BC into height AB sin theta. Okay, it is the area of triangle, and here it is BC AB into sin theta. It is, see carefully, BC AB sin theta, it is 1/2. It is magnitude of AB cross BC, or it is AB cross BC or BC cross AB. It is a magnitude. Okay, here see carefully, BC into AB into sin theta. See carefully, here we can write the explanation. It is AB cross AC. What is the AB cross AC? It is the magnitude of AB, magnitude of AB cross BC. Here we can write BC into sin theta and into n cap. When we take the magnitude AB cross BC, then it is magnitude of AB, magnitude of BC, sin theta, and magnitude of n cap, it is a 1. Therefore magnitude of AB cross BC, it is this, and then AB, magnitude of vector AB means AB, it is BC, and it is sin theta. AB BC sin theta, AB BC are the scalar, therefore we can write here interchange, it is commutative. AB BC sin theta, AB BC sin theta, it is nothing but it is a cross product of AB cross BC. It is cross product of AB cross BC is this. Okay, see carefully, this is the explanation for this. Now it is the area of triangle, and therefore area of triangle ABC, it is 1/2 vector AB cross vector BC. Okay, vector AB cross vector BC. See carefully, it is the two sides of the triangle. Okay, AB and BC are the two sides. Then area of triangle is 1/2 AB cross AC. If A bar and B bar are the two sides of the triangle, then area of the triangle is 1/2 magnitude of A bar cross B bar. Here magnitude of A bar cross B bar. It is a one formula for the area of triangle. Okay, but here we want to prove the area of triangle is this formula. Now we can write here 1/2 AB, it is a B bar minus A bar. Okay, cross C bar minus B bar, BC, C bar minus B bar. Now we take the cross product. Then it is B bar cross C bar, B bar cross C bar minus B bar cross B bar, B bar cross B bar. Then minus A bar cross C bar and plus A bar cross B bar. Here B bar cross C bar, it is B bar cross B bar, cross product of same vector, it is a 0, and here it is plus C bar cross A bar. Okay, and plus we can write here 0 bar also. Here C bar cross A bar, and it is B bar cross B bar, it is 0 bar. We can write in this step, it is not necessary, minus 0 bar plus C bar cross A bar and plus A bar cross B bar. Okay, and then 1 by 2 A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross C bar and plus C bar cross A bar. It is a formula for the area of triangle when position vectors or vertices of the triangle are the given A, B and C. Vertices of triangle are given, then we use this formula for the area of triangle. If any two sides in the vector form are the given, then we use the formula area of triangle is this form. Okay, AB cross AC. Okay, see carefully. It is a two formulas. It is this and this. Okay, when given that the two sides of the triangle in the vector form, then we use area of triangle this. It is first side and it is second. Cross product of these two sides and take the magnitude in 1 by 2. It is the area of triangle. And when the vertices are the given, then we use this formula. 1 by 2 AB cross AC plus B cross CC, A cross B plus B cross C and plus C cross A. It is the area of triangle. Okay. Now we see the next example. Next example. Example number 33. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing the points A, 0, 0, 0, B, 0 and 0, 0, C. What is the area of the triangle with these vertices? Okay, here let it is A, 0, 0, B, 0, B, 0 and C, 0, 0, C are points in plane with position vectors A bar, B bar and C bar respectively. Okay. Here these are the position vectors, suppose. Now here therefore we can write A bar is equal to AI cap, B bar is equal to BJ cap and C bar is equal to CK cap. It is A bar, B bar and C bar. Okay. Now we find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing these points. Okay. Suppose here it is a plane containing these 3 points A, B and C. We find the unit vector perpendicular to the plane containing these points. Okay. So we find the vector perpendicular to the plane of vector AB and AC. Vector AB and AC. Here we find the vector which is perpendicular to AB and AC, and that means the vector is a perpendicular to the plane of AB and AC is AB cross AC. The cross product of these two vectors, it is a perpendicular to the plane. That means a vector perpendicular to the plane containing this point. First find the vector and then find the unit vector. Okay, first we find the perpendicular vector and then find the perpendicular unit vector. Okay, here we can write here A, B and C we can write in the one line, single line. Therefore A bar, then it is B bar is equal to B j cap and C bar is equal to C k cap. Okay, then we find the two vectors. It is vector AB. It is a B bar minus A bar. B bar minus A bar. That means minus A I cap plus B j cap. And vector AC. It is a C bar minus A bar. Again it is minus A I cap plus C k cap are the two vectors. First we find the vector perpendicular to these two vectors. Now AB cross AC is the vector perpendicular to plane of AB and AC. Okay. AB cross AC, it is a vector perpendicular to the plane of AB and AC. Therefore we find AB cross AC. It is I, J and it is K. AB, it is AB. Minus A, B and it is a 0. Okay. AC, minus A, 0, C. Minus A, 0 and it is C. Now take the determinant, it is the cross product. It is I cap into BC minus 0. Minus J cap into, see carefully, minus AC minus 0. It is AC minus 0 and plus K cap into 0 plus AB. It is a 0 and plus AB, and therefore AB cross AC is equal to BC I cap plus AC J cap and plus AB K cap. It is a vector perpendicular to the plane of point A, B and C. Okay. Now we find the vector, unit vector perpendicular to the plane of point A, B and C. Okay. Now the unit vector perpendicular to the plane of points A, B and C is here AB cross AC upon magnitude of AB cross AC, and then it is AB cross AC BC I cap plus AC J cap plus AB K cap upon under root of the magnitude of that vector. It is B square C square plus A square C square and plus A square B square. It is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of point A, B and C. Therefore, okay, it is a unit vector perpendicular. Okay, answer पुन्हा लिहित बसायची गरज नाही. It is a vector and it is unit vector. The unit vector perpendicular to the plane of point A, B and C is this. Okay, see carefully. And Second question is, what is the area of the triangle with the vertices? Okay, vertices A, B and C. Okay, therefore the area of triangle ABC, it is 1/2 into AB cross AC. Okay, take any two sides. Okay, AB cross AC. Why take AB cross AC? Because it is already done. Okay, area of triangle, it is 1/2 AB cross AC, and the magnitude of AB cross AC, and then it is 1/2 under root of B square C square plus A square C square and plus A square B square units. Okay, it is the area of triangle, okay, whose vertices are A, B and C. Okay, see carefully. Now we see the next example. It is area of triangle and it is a unit vector perpendicular to the plane of point A, B and C. Next, the example 35, show that for any vector A bar, B bar and C bar, A bar plus B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar plus B bar plus C bar cross B bar plus B bar minus C bar cross A bar is equal to 2 into A bar cross C bar. Okay, here therefore here given it is A bar plus B bar plus C bar cross C bar plus A bar plus B bar plus C bar cross B bar plus B bar minus C bar cross A bar. Here we want to prove that it is 2 into A bar cross C bar. Okay, see carefully here. We take only the multiplication of brackets, and here multiplication of brackets, here brackets are the vectors, and then multiplication it is a cross. Okay, it is a cross product of the vectors. Here we use the straight multiplication and then we use the properties of the vector product. Okay, see carefully. Here multiply these three terms by, it is a C bar, that means A bar cross C bar. First it is A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus C bar cross C bar. Okay, it is the first. Then plus A bar cross B bar plus B bar cross B bar. Now plus C bar cross B bar plus C bar cross B bar plus B bar cross A bar and minus C bar cross A bar. These last two terms. Okay, now here we know the property of a scalar product. Sorry, it is a vector product. Okay, property of a vector product. If two vectors are the equal, then the vector product is 0. Okay, here two vectors are the equal. Now here it is C cross C and it is B cross B. Therefore you can write A bar cross C bar plus B bar cross C bar plus, it is a C bar cross C bar, it is a 0, plus A bar cross B bar plus again 0, b bar cross b bar, then plus c bar cross b bar, then plus b bar cross a bar and minus c bar cross a bar. Okay, here this c bar cross c bar and b bar cross b bar are the 0 vectors. Okay, 0. Okay, then in the second step can't write then 0 bar. Okay, we have to prove that it is a 2AC. AC, it is a AC and it is a CA. Here we use the property. It is c bar cross a bar is equal to minus a bar cross c bar. Therefore, this becomes plus. That means plus a bar cross c bar. That means a bar cross c bar, and it is a bar cross c bar. It is 2a bar cross c bar. It is a 2a bar cross c bar. Therefore, all these terms are the cancelled. Okay. Now here, see carefully. It is a bar cross c bar plus it is b bar cross c bar. Okay. Plus it is a bar cross b bar. Now see carefully. A bar cross c bar, b bar cross c bar, a bar cross b bar. Now here c bar cross a bar and here b bar cross c bar. Then c bar cross b bar can be written as it is minus b bar cross c bar. Okay, and here b bar cross a bar, here a bar cross b bar. B bar cross a bar can be written as minus a bar cross b bar, minus a bar cross b bar, and it is last term plus a bar cross c bar. Okay, here we use the property a bar cross b bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar. Okay, now it is b bar cross c bar, b bar cross c bar get cancelled, a bar cross b bar minus a bar cross b bar get cancelled, and first and last term it is a 2 a bar cross c bar, and it is the proof. Okay, see carefully, here we use only the properties of the vector product. Okay, and take the straight multiplication. Multiplication is a cross product, then take cross product. Multiplication is a dot product, then take dot product. Straight multiplication केलं ब्रॅकेटचं, क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट असलं तर क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट लिहा, डॉट प्रोडक्ट असलं तर डॉट प्रोडक्ट, अँड देन प्रॉपर्टी डॉट प्रोडक्टचं असलं डॉट प्रोडक्टच्या, क्रॉस प्रोडक्टचं असलं तर क्रॉस प्रोडक्टच्या. ओके, हिअर वी यूज द क्रॉस प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट. ओके, सी केअरफुली दिस.